subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola has launched its new affordable smartphone under E-series in India called Moto E7 Power. Talking about the specifications, the Moto E7 Power features a 6.5-inch HD Plus Max Vision display with a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. The screen supports a 60Hz refresh rate and it has a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. The rear panel of the phone features a vertically aligned dual camera setup at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The dual rear camera includes a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.0 aperture and a 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Moto E7 Power comes powered by MediaTek Helio G25 chipset paired with 2 or 4GB of RAM and 32 or 64GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on stock Android 10 out of the box and it packs with a large 5000 mAh battery that supports 10-watt charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also comes with a dedicated Google Assistant button for better voice control. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.06 by 75.86 by 9.20 millimeters and it weighs around 200 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Moto E7 Power has been priced in India for 2GB plus 32GB storage variant at 7,499 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 64GB storage option is priced at 8,299 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from February 26th in Tahiti blue and coral red color options. So, what do you guys think of this Moto E7 Power smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.